head into the airport. Our first standby adventure. So later that day, we got on a flight to Barcelona, got off the plane and went straight to the beach because we didn't have our Airbnb yet, and it was absolutely lovely, but we had no towels, so that was a journey. And of course, we had our large backpacks with us as well. Guys, we're in Barcelona. Okay, we got off the plane and we went straight to the beach.
Yes, we did.
Because our Airbnb isn't ready for check-in yet. And
we're holding these ginormous backpacks.
It was worth it. It was beautiful. It was so nice. And then we bought $9 smoothies.
That were pre-made.
That were pre-made in a bottle. But we didn't know that when we ordered them. But anyway, now we're going to a market, I think.
Flea market.
Yeah. Oh, and she was really excited because
it's been my lifelong dream to go to a topless beach, and we arrived at a topless beach. So I did what I had to do.
I might have indulged a little. That's
when
okay.
In Barcelona.
I mean, it's the norm here.
Yeah. Nobody batted an eye.
No one did. Anyway, all right.
Connecting with nature.
After the beach, we had a bit of time before we could check into our Airbnb, so we headed over to this little flea market. It was really cool, lots of cool trinkets, but I was pretty sick of carrying this backpack at this point, so I'm not sure I enjoyed it as much as I would have. And then we headed towards our Airbnb, grabbed some nachos while we were waiting, and it was time to go. All right, quick nap, quick outfit change, and we are back out on the streets.
Yes, we're being influencers and taking photos and going to different spots we found on TikTok.
This is one of my favorite trips, coming here, so it's really fun to be back. And for you. Not that I remember a lot, I can't be a tour guide, so sorry, but anyway.
It's okay, I forgive you.
And then I think we're gonna go out tonight.
Yes.
And do a little clothing moment.
We're going to.
We wandered around the Gothic Quarter and saw some street performers and this beautiful building and really cool architecture, and my cousin even got pulled into one of the street performances, which you'll see in just a moment. It was really fun. We grabbed some food and of course some gelato, and then we headed back to our Airbnb to get ready for our night out. We just got out of the ocean.
Yes, we did.
We went to the club and then we quite literally just jumped in the ocean.
And we realized that the ocean was more fun than the club.
Yeah, quite literally. That was nice. Now it's 2 in the morning and we're going to look for a cab back to the room.
And shower and go to bed.
Correct. And have a wonderful day tomorrow. Stay tuned.
We're heading to the Arc de Triomphe, which we've made the executive decision that the one in Paris is bigger, but this one is
bigger.
Equally as pretty.
It is very pretty. It's different. Oh, and we're looking for breakfast.
Yes.
Because it's hungry.
The hotel only has bread and jam.
Yeah. I didn't even need bread and jam.
It was peach jam, so that's up.
Yeah, we found it. We just got
really cute bubbly photos,
yes,
videos.
we dance around in bubbles, which is never a bad thing.
Hot as hell.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's stifling.
Oh, but it's really pretty. There's like a whole market festival situation over here. We're now gonna go get breakfast and hopefully sit
Shout
in
out to
air
the bubble
conditioner.
guy.
Oh yeah, he was cool. He was like, let me put him for your video. Very nice. I wish I had €1 to give him, but I didn't have €1 to give him.
Yen.
I do have
In her
some
purse,
yen.
as one does.
I'm holding it in case I go back to Japan. No, really though. It's exactly what I'm doing. Although it's kind of Alice's. Yeah, but anyway, okay.
It was so fun being back in Spain. I was there the last time in 2019, so being back was really cool to see like kind of the same things, but also some new things and discover different things. And it was really fun to show Gina around a little bit as well. I just had a wonderful time.
We're back. We're going to the Sagrada Familia.
I don't know what that is.
Here's our first view of it. Look up.
Oh my god, that's so pretty. I love the decorations at the top of the little pillars.
Those I don't think were
They
here
look like
last
chess
time.
pieces.
That's so cool.
It's gorgeous. It's stunning. Show them. Let
I
them take it in.
I just wanted to hear you.
We ended up finding another bubble guy in front of the Sagrada Familia. This time we didn't go inside of it like I did the last time, but it was still such a cool sight. It's like one of the tallest buildings in the city, so it's really cool to see.
So,
Guys, it's so pretty.
very pretty.
Okay, we are going to look for umbrellas, but we stumbled across this really pretty area. Look at this, and look at that. Like, what is that? Oh, it's so cool. And of course, we had to stop for TikTok content and all the content. Now we're going up an escalator. Okay, so we're walking to a boat thing, and we were planning to get tapas and sangria, and we were gonna get a taxi, but we don't know how to call a taxi.
But we haven't gotten tapas, sangria, or a taxi.
Right now we're thinking we have a little bit of time, but damn, we have been walking for like 40 minutes, like 30 something minutes now,
And we've also been walking all day.
and we're walking in slippers.
Wait, how many steps are we at?
20,000.
20,000.
A little over that actually, but I mean it's a pretty walk, but my feet hurt. I'm so excited to jump in the ocean on the boat.
Oh yeah.
I would love some food before I really hope we have time.
A few seconds after we filmed that,
We found
there's
a taxi,
just sitting there waiting for
and
us.
we found the fort,
He
and
was sent.
yes, we spoke it into existence. But anyway, we found restaurants, so we're gonna go grab some tapas
And sangria.
sangria, and then we're going on a boat.
All is restored.
All is great. I definitely have a blister on my foot now, though. Cool. Look how pretty this is. And this is where all the clubs are. Hola. No, gracias.
We found this boat tour on Airbnb Experiences, and we're so glad that we went. It was honestly such a great time. We met some really awesome people on the boat and had like a fantastic time. One of them was celebrating their birthday, and we all jumped in the water, even though the boat driver kind of was like hesitant of that just because there was a high current that day. But we all got in. It was really, really fun, and it was just a good crew. We drank kava on the boat, and then we even hung out with them afterwards, and we went swimming and went and got some food and drinks afterwards. So it was really just lovely.
Flamanco show.
Very good.
Was a
We
fun
loved
time.
the dresses. Simona was waiting for a red dress the whole time.
We got
and
a
one girl
red dress.
popped out in
We
a red
got
dress
a red
again.
dress.
We haven't updated in a bit, and we have a lot to tell you, and most of it is bad.
So we sat at the airport literally all day.
All day.
All day.
I worked from home.
We did work at home. And we tried for like 6 different flights. One of the flights canceled, so we were all screwed.
And that was the one we were really banking on.
Yeah. And so we were screwed. So now we're headed to Madrid. And we have booked tickets. So rip to our wallets.
So we ended up heading to Madrid via train and spending a night there, which was actually very nice and very fun, although it was quite stressful, the route of getting home in time for work and everything.
This is so cute.
Hostel rooftop
Okay, we're staying at a hostel, and this is like,
We're in Madrid. We weren't even
oh
planning
my
on coming
god,
here.
we are in Madrid.
But now I'm happy we're here.
There's so many people.
Stayed in a hostel in Madrid, and it was honestly such a cute hostel, and it was only $15 each for the night, which is like very, very good. But it really was nothing crazy, and I would totally stay in one again.
All right, we're at the palace and
And it's
the
dark.
cathedral. It is dark, but it's also, what time is it? It's like 2 in the morning. No, it's almost 1 in the morning.
Oops.
So,
Yeah.
wow.
Maybe wait, I kind of like this angel.
Yeah.
Maybe if I go under this angel
Okay.
with the lights behind it,
Yeah.
maybe that'll show up a little better while we're
Okay.
here.
We're
And then
looking
we
for
can go.
photo spots.
Yeah.
Dinner was fabulous. We grabbed some extra, the leftovers. We're gonna try to take them to somebody, like a homeless, somebody who needs to eat, because we're not gonna eat it. We leave on a flight in the morning. Yeah.
And then it was time to leave Spain, which was so sad, but I'll have to go back again. And it was a wonderful trip. It was really fun. And if you haven't been to Spain, highly recommend. Definitely go check it out. It's a wonderful place to visit.